Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 15.4, Problem 4. This is Section 15.4, Problem number 4. We want to do the definite integral of x plus 1 in parentheses to the second power dx from 3 to 0. So to start this problem off, I need to clear those parentheses. So let me rewrite the integral, still from 3 to 0, of x plus 1 times x plus 1 again. And of course, there's a dx on the end. So the x plus 1 in parentheses is going to have to be foiled out. So again, I'll keep the integral on the front. We're going to do definite integral from 3 to 0. And now x times x is x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Then I have a 1 times x again is another 1x. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And I can combine my like terms. In the middle, I have 1x plus 1x. Let's make that a 2x. So I have the definite integral from 3 to 0 of x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. So I haven't even started the problem yet. I've just simplified it to a point where I can now do the problem. I have to clear the parentheses before I can integrate, unless I do a substitution, which I didn't really want to do. So step 1, solve the integral. So the x to the second has an integral of 1 over 3x to the 3. Then the 2x, you can figure as a 2x to the first, so its integral will be 2 over 2x to the 2. And then the plus 1 is an x for the integral. The 2 over 2, let's just simplify that and make it a plain old x squared. So I'm going to have 1/3 x cubed plus x squared plus x. So now that that's the answer for the integral, I'll put a long straight vertical line to the right of that. I'll put in my limits of integration, 3 for the top and 0 for the bottom. So that's the end of step 1. I solved the integral. Step 2 is put in the upper limit of integration for your variable. So my 1/3 x cubed will become 1/3 3 cubed. Plus x squared will become plus 3 squared. Then plus x will become plus 3. So now we'll do the math. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, but times the 1/3 in front, 1/3 times 27 is 9. Then plus 3 squared, 3 times 3 is also 9. Plus 3 more at the end, so 9 plus 9 is 18, plus another 3 is 21. So that's the answer for step 2. Put the upper limit of integration into your answer for the integral. See what you get. We get a 21. Step 3, put the lower limit of integration, and this problem is 0. Put that in for your variable. And I can see I'm going to get a 0. Let me do it off to the side here. So 1/3 x cubed will become 1/3 0 cubed. Then x squared will become 0 squared. And then plus x will become plus 0. So this works out pretty nicely. It's just 0. And then the final step, step 4, is to subtract the two answers. 21 from step 2 minus 0 from step 3 is 21 for our final answer.